Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Thank you for joining us for our Christmas Crafting Weekend Open House event. Sharing with you a tutorial using our gift giving goodie bag along with additional Divinity Designs products. Kelly Holland will also be joining us later in the video to share a close-up look at some of the samples created by the design team. At the end of the video, we'll also have additional samples using the gift-giving goodie bag along with additional Divinity Designs products. The gift-giving goodie bag is a set of 11 dies. You have the bag, back, front, and side dies along with the coordinating layering dies. And then you have 2 dies to create either a square opening or a circle opening. When using the layering dies, be sure to emboss these dies to bring out the detail of the dies. Shown here is the gift-giving goodie bag with a square opening. Shown here we have the gift-giving goodie bag with a circle opening, along with the coordinating pot holder with layers die set and additional Divinity Designs products. And shown here we have a gift set using the gift-giving goodie bag with a circle opening. Here's the coordinating pot holder with layers die set and recipe card. And shown here we have a coordinating card and envelope using our mini card and double layers along with our RSVP envelope. Here you can see I've die cut and embossed all the pieces I'm going to need to create the gift-giving goodie bag. When die cutting the front, back, and sides, this die will also score for you. You're going to go ahead and adhere the layering panels to the bag back and the bag sides, and then we're going to set those aside. Now, if you wanted to create just a solid bag, you could adhere that die cut and embossed layering panel to the bag front and assemble the bag. But I'm going to make an opening into the center of the bag front. So here you can see that the die cut and embossed layering panel is adhered to the bag front, and I've placed the circle die on top of these 2 panels. I'm going to use removable tape to hold the die in place and then die cut following the directions from my die cutting machine. This will die cut a circle into the opening of these panels. Just a tip when die cutting your pattern paper, if it does have a print design, make sure your dies are going the right way so that your print isn't upside down. And when die cutting the opening into the bag front, make sure it's on the lower portion like you see here so that you have room for the flap when it folds over. Now I can go ahead and fold all the die cut pieces on the score line, add my adhesive, and assemble the bag. Again, now that all my die cut pieces have been folded on the score lines, I'm going to go ahead and assemble the bag. You can see the bag sides have been adhered to the bag front, and now I'm going to adhere this to the bag back. And now I can fold in the bag bottom, add adhesive, and close up the bottom of the bag. And now I can fold the top of the bag over and seal it shut. I'm using Velcro dots to close the top of the bag. Now the bag's all set to add goodies or trinkets to the inside. Here's my completed gift-giving goodie bag. Card using our mini card and double layers and our gift card holder along with our RSVP envelope. Again, that's Divinity Designs gift giving goodie bag. Now Kelly Holland will be joining us with some up-close samples from the design team, and then we've included some additional samples from the design team using the gift giving goodie bag along with additional Divinity Designs products. For more inspiration, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram.